So today we're talking about the gut microbiome, which studies show reverses certain diseases. So, of course, do your own research, study this before you take any action, and this is for information only. So, what we need to talk about is the gut has been understood to have microbiome in it um, for decades, effectively. But recently, researchers and scientists have begun to understand uh, their extraordinary ability to prevent and in some cases reverse dozens of diseases, including Parkinson's, diabetes, obesity, cancer, and heart disease. So there are communities of microbes on your skin, as well as in your mouth, lungs, bladder, kidneys, and other organs. And they interact with each other as well as your cells to keep your body functioning and healthy. So recently, another microbiome has been discovered in your brain. So until now, it was believed that the brain contained microbiomes at all because the blood-brain barrier stopped it. But in two studies, researchers have turned that notion on the head. They discovered that the brain contains a diverse microbiome with at least 100,000 species of microbes. So, after studying data from 4 brain banks, the research team identified brain microbiomes containing a wide variety of fungi, bacteria, and even unidentified algae. Uh, and patients with Alzheimer's disease had much higher concentrations. So, where did these brain microbes come from? The answer is your gut microbiome via the vagus nerve. It works as a kind of biochemical telegraph system that links your emotional and cognitive centers to your digestive and intestinal systems. So, food rich in prebiotic fibers like onions, garlic, and leek not only nourish your gut microbiome, but they support your brain's bacterial allies. Very interesting. But the whole principle is then you need to manage your microbiomes because they work in tandem. So you should be doing the best you can. But the best microbiome supplements are ones where you're looking for CFU or colony forming units. This is the number of bacteria that are expected to reach and then survive your gut. The higher the number, the better. A good target to shoot for is around 30 billion CFUs per capsule. But the other thing is that, you're looking after your body, so don't skimp on the price. You really do get what you pay for. If it doesn't meet the qualification above, don't waste any time, effort, or money. And remember to take them regularly after a loading dose of once a day. Most brands can be taken every 2 or 3 days thereafter. But don't lapse, keep feeding your microbiome what it needs. So, of course, that's really an interesting study that the different areas communicate together. So they make sure that you're, as much as possible, one system seems to sort of manage another. So the best thing to do is to get your microbiomes in the gut sorted, and then that should sort out everything else. But of course, Do your own research. Added fact, I'm looking for a sponsor for my range of channels and podcast. So if you'd be interested, leave me a message, communicate with me in the standard way. Also, I've got all of the kit to make videos and podcasts. So if you would be interested in using my services, I've got, as I said, all of the relevant recording kit, the software, the editing skills, the special effects, adding music, doing minute editing and adding footers and headers to the resulting video, as well as the marketing and SEO capabilities. So if you could please subscribe to my channel, if you could also comment, and if you could share with your friends, because I think this is an amazing breakthrough. Best the study yourself. I mean, this isn't a recommendation. This is sort of a way of getting information to you, and it's up to you to determine if this is something for me. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next edition. Thank you very much. Goodbye.